What do you want in a pack? Should it make a difference with its style and elegance? Should it stand out from the crowd? Should it protect your product, save food waste, and the environment? Should it be convenient, easy to open, easy to reclose securely? Please give a round of applause to KoroRCY Flat Bottom Pouch. KoroRCY Flat Bottom Pouch is engineered for perfect shelf appeal thanks to its flat bottom. It's 100% recyclable and can package goods from 150 grams to 10 kilograms in weight. It can even replace boxes. Its three-dimensional structure and convenient reclosed zipper only adds to your product's charm and make it the pack of choice for consumers. What else could you want in a pack?